36, so it should be a 34-inch door.
Right. They sent you the wrong door.
I'm Anthony Carino. I've built and renovated hundreds of homes over the last decade. My next project, though, is something very personal. I'm taking an old firehouse in Jersey City, and I'm converting it into a home. My home. This is the Build TV, The Firehouse Project.
It's insane!
All right, guys, so this is what will become the master suite. It does not look like it now. One of my favorite parts of designing this master suite is when I'm in here with Jacey and it's the raw space and I'm explaining to her where all these rooms are going and she's looking at me like, what the hell are you talking about?
So Anthony kept walking me through the design of the master suite while standing in the garage. There's like crap everywhere.
It really makes me remember that not everybody sees a raw space the way I see it. All right, so standing in the master bedroom, basically the master bed is centered on this window. You can get a king-size bed in here with nightstands. The wall that'll separate the master bath from the master bed is about where I'm standing right here. Yeah, pretty straightforward. I mean, it's a bedroom. Okay, so master bathroom. This one is a room I am super, super excited about. Obviously, you can see we've already gotten some of the deliveries from Kohler for our rough-ins. This is gonna be a double vanity, a separate water closet, meaning the toilet is in its own room. Master shower is on the wall that's right behind me. All the fixtures in the bathroom are gonna be Kohler. One of their sister companies, Roburn, is on board as well. That is gonna be our master vanities and our master medicine cabinets. This, of anything on this floor, is got the most complication. We've got electric going on, we've got all the plumbing going on, we've got a ton of tile work. There are some incredible tiles going into this bathroom.
I don't have the capability that Anthony has to visualize. Until I see it, I literally have no idea, and I just trust your instinct and skill set.
All right, all the framing upstairs is completely done. Move downstairs now. First thing we gotta do down here is we gotta pour a leveling coat over the existing concrete floor. We wanna make sure that this is super, super level. This concrete hasn't been touched in years. When we did our first renovation here, we never poured over it because there was no need to. This entire space was a garage and it was only used as such. Basically, the garage will now start where we've got this 2x4. What we want perfectly level is the interior of the residence. So that's what these guys are working on now. They've got a string line on the ground. That string line allows them to figure out how out of level the current floors are, how much concrete mix they're gonna need, and then they use a self-leveling mixture to put that down. We are doing this on a Friday because it needs the time to cure. So you're gonna be able to walk on this tomorrow if you want to, but you're not gonna be able to work on this. So we do it on Friday so we don't lose any additional time, and then Monday we hit the ground running, framing on the first floor. All right, guys, so as you can tell, making a ton of progress. All the framing done down here. Mechanicals are well on their way. So heading in right here, we're in our master suite. This is where the headboard of the bed is gonna be. To my left here, we've got his and hers walk-in closets.
I've been sharing a closet with Anthony at the apartment.
I will fully admit I have more clothes than Jacey.
I know, I got like this much.
There's a lot of wardrobe that goes along with television. What do you want me to tell you? So from there, we're going over to the master bathroom, which is just on the other side of the master closets. So what we did in here, it's gonna be a curbless shower, which means there is going to be no lip you have to step over. And the floor will simply pitch away to the floor drain. It's all tile and will look absolutely incredible. What's going in here is simply a toilet, and that's it. We've got a custom floating Roburn vanity going in here. I can see it all in my mind's eye, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys.
It's so funny because I trust Anthony so wholehearedly, and because I know he's so good at what he does. The only time I've ever designed anything is when my condo flooded and I was forced to, redesign the interiors of my home. And for me, it's not my passion. Thankfully for Ant, it is.
Going to look at tiles today for the firehouse. And this was just too appropriate not to share. So, white tile and dark hair do not mix.
How many times has Anthony told the Jacey's hair shed story?
If I hear the Jacey shed story one more time, I'm gonna kill Anthony. It's everywhere. We need this new tile.
I love the design of the bathroom. I still love the design of the bathroom, but we're designing a different bathroom for the firehouse, and that's one of the reasons why. But I am definitely drawn to this Escher-esque cubes. I think it might be a little more gray. We might want to go one more over. No, it's the white one. This works. Want to look at tiles?
Yes, so excited.
Okay, so here are the tiles proper.
Oh wow, those are so cool.
So that's really what I want to do on the floor.
Master bath.
Yeah, but when you see it, floor?
It's hairproof.
What do you?
That's so smart.
What do you think I'm doing here, lady? Yeah,
God,
I wanted
you're
a
smart.
busy pattern so that all this stuff gets hidden. We are insulated, sheetrock taped, spackled. Master closet fully sheetrocked. Second master closet fully sheetrocked. Master bedroom fully sheetrocked. So the walls are closed up. They've already started installing tile. I cannot wait to see it. All right, tile. Oh, yes. Dude, this looks awesome. When this floor is done, it's gonna look insane. Sal is no joke. He's been laying tile probably as long as I've been alive. He took the time to lay out the tile to make sure the most visible parts of the room had large tiles or full tiles. Figure out where to start the tile so you wind up with a full piece here, and maybe you don't have a full piece at the end, but you have a half a piece or a 3/4 of a piece, and you really limit very, very small pieces of tile that don't look good when the entire job is done.
Oh God, that's gonna look so good. I'm so excited.
You can be like Kubert.
Dude,
Exactly.
yeah.
So making great progress in the master suite. A lot of tile, but of course, there are always speed bumps. Some of these guys just don't pay attention. $36, so it should be a 34-inch door.
Right. You sent you the wrong door.
Is Anthony Carino calling? Yeah, man, the master bedroom door is wrong again. The rough opening is 36 inches, and you sent me a 36-inch finished door. It should have been a 34-inch door with a 36-inch frame. Okay, how long will a door take? Wednesday. Okay. Great, thank you. But this is the stuff that's infuriating. He's making it right, so I really can't be that mad about it, but I lose 2 days. I can't get the door in, I can't get the trim done, the trim can't get puttied, therefore I can't move forward with paint. So all of this stuff starts to spiral, whenever accidents or mistakes happen. Try and keep your cool, try and keep your head on your shoulders, you fix the problem and you move on. We're not finished yet, but Jacey is so excited to see all the progress we've been making. So the two things she's dying to see, her closet and that master bathroom. Hold on. You're gonna do your closet first. Okay. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. The moment you've been waiting for. It's not finished, just remember that.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Yes!
Happy,
More
happy?
shoes.
Happy? No, you don't.
Wow. This is perfect. It's so awesome. It's sleeping here, bye.
Okay, bye. No, I was
Oh
lying.
my God.
This is my hair defense system.
Should we test it?
No, not
Let's
yet.
test it.
Please don't.
ahead.
It will test it soon enough.
I can't believe how beautiful this looks. I don't have the capability of like seeing it. Because I
Different
can't get it.
strengths.
Yeah, but it's so insane.
So you happy?
Beyond, like,
Ross, what do you think?
speechless. What do you think?
Oh my goodness. So we are 100% complete. Our bed is in, furniture's put together. It just feels so good. All right, master suite. We are in the master bedroom. It is on the first floor. We have a flipped floor plan here in the firehouse, which simply means bedrooms on the first floor level. It accommodates the king bed and the 2 side tables perfectly. We are big fans of the Casper mattress. We sleep wonderful on it. Added to that, we do all our sheets from Snow Home. The attention to detail that they have and what they are putting out, I'm a massive fan. So from here, we get into our master closets. So we went with pocket doors here, which simply means that the door opens into the wall. We wanted to have the doors open in the wall so nothing else was protruding toward the bed and narrowing down our space. This is my closet. Did an entire custom closet with Closet Made. Their master suite line is incredible. I mean, we're 8 feet tall on all the built-ins, 3 walls. You don't have any dead corners. You don't have any wasted space. You can just leave your dirty clothes right here. And then the nice thing is with the laundry across the hall, you just pull your bag right out, go to the laundry washer dryer, and you're ready to go. So socks and underwear and pull out drawers. I love having all my t-shirts visible on open shelves. Jacey's closet is identical to the inch from a square footage standpoint. From a layout and design standpoint, it's a little bit different. Jacey did not want to see her stuff. She has a ton of workout gear. She's teaching every day. And that stuff doesn't fold as neatly, doesn't stack as neatly. So she wanted to be able to hide that away. And then her nicer clothes, she wanted to have out so she could see when she was getting dressed to go out or for meetings or stuff like that. All right, so one of the big things being a master bedroom, when it is time to go to bed, we want it to be dark. So what do? All the windows in the firehouse, we went with the Lutron Serena shades. So they're smart shades. They talk to Alexa. You can run them through the app. You can run them through voice. And I have a delivery. You hit close. So 9 p.m. this closes automatically. 6 a.m. it opens automatically, and we are completely blacked out. Instead of using the app, Alexa, open master bedroom shade. And you're done. Now we head to the bathroom. All right, guys, welcome to the master bathroom. A lot of design in a very small room. This design started on the floor with this floor tile. We wanted to really concentrate on not showing the hair that leaves our heads. This is an updated version of a very old Italian pattern. You see this in a lot of church floors throughout Italy, all the wall tiles. This is basically an updated version of some old school subway tile. On the vanity wall, we went with a powder blue just to bring a little bit of soothing color into the room. So most of you are used to seeing a little lip that comes up, and then you've got a mud pan here, which basically just means that they've waterproofed your shower floor. So what I had my guys do was waterproof the entire floor so that I was able to keep this at one level. Uncle Sal, who did the tile work here, was able to pitch my floor toward the drain so that when you are taking a shower and you are in here, everything does run to the drain. You've got no issues. This tile is rated for wet use, which means it's not super slippery, so you're not ice skating when you're in the shower, and you do have a nice sturdy feel under your feet. In order to anchor the shower, I used 2 slabs of sapien stone. This is the same material that is on the countertops in my kitchen, on the countertops in the bar, and then we went with a full Kohler setup as we did in all the bathrooms. Nobody does matte black like Kohler does. The matte just really brings everything down, anchors the whole space. So from there, on the way out of the shower, we've got our heated towel rack. Towel rack is by Runtle. You wash your towels about half the time when you have something like this. It's really nice to have the towels dry quickly, thereby allowing them to last longer between washes. And of course, we've got our Sonos up on the top shelf because you gotta be dancing in the shower. So from the shower to the vanities, this was super special. We custom designed this entire thing. So the vanity and the sinks are Roburn, the faucets are Kohler, the medicine cabinets are Roburn, and then again, the countertop is Sapien stone. This is the end all and be all of this space. The Uplift medicine cabinets by Roburn. So really everything is self-contained right in here. I absolutely love the way this thing functions. This little button right here, you push this before you get in the shower. You've got a heating element that's behind this mirror. So as you fog up your bathroom, as you're taking your hot shower and steam is going everywhere, this stays absolutely crystal clear when you get out of the shower. Last but not least, the toilet. Decided to put a water closet in here. This is our only bathroom on the first floor, and we wanted to be able to both use the bathroom at the same time. Keeping romance in your relationship, I think, is a good thing, so you put the toilet in its own closet. So the toilet is the Veil Smart Toilet by Kohler. This thing is absolutely incredible. I never really thought a toilet can change your life. It can. It's got this remote control, so when you open the door and it senses motion, the lid lifts. If you're standing up, you can lift the seat. It's got an eco flush option, a full flush option. If you're sitting down, it's got some water, it's got a dryer. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. Oh, also, the seat is heated. Last but not least, you cannot see, underneath my feet are the Eco Warm floor panels that have the radiant floor tubes running through them. The master bathroom is on its own zone. There are 9 zones throughout the entire home. So that really wraps up the master bath. I mean, it is our little oasis. Like I said, a lot of design in a small space, lots to look at. All right, so that's the master bath. I think of any space in the home, getting your master together, it just starts to make that house feel like a home.
It's like being in a hotel. Everything is right there. I just had the hardest time being like, all right, there's like the walls here. The walls need to be up for me to be like, all right, that's an actual space. So seeing the master suite come together with the bathroom and the perfect closets, it's perfect.
I can't wait for our first night here.
Coming up this season on the Build TV, we go room by room to show you what it takes to convert this old firehouse into a home.
Wow.
Subscribe or follow at thebuild.tv to make sure you don't miss any episodes.